Hello student, I am discussing with you reagent number 5 Rani nickel. Rani nickel and LiAlH4 lithium aluminum tetrahydride used as a reducing agent. Then first we study here preparation method of Rani nickel. It is a special form of nickel named after its discoverer Muri Rani in 1927. It carries hydrogen weakly bound to nickel, so it is most used reducing agent. For preparing this reagent, Rani nickel, ice cold solution of sodium hydroxide is added to NiAl, nickel aluminum alloy. Proportion is 1:1, slowly over a period of 2-3 hours. The mixture is heated at 120 degrees centigrade for 4 hours. Again, some quantity of NaOH solution is added and the temperature is maintained at 120 degrees centigrade till evolution of hydrogen stops. The supernatant solution of alkali is decanted off and the residue left is the catalyst Rani nickel. Therefore, I am writing here NiAl alloy 1:1 plus NaOH plus H2O, formation of NaAl2 plus NiH plus H2. NiH is the Rani nickel. This is the preparation method of Rani nickel using NaOH solution at 120 degrees centigrade. Then further we study here applications of Rani nickel. There are number of the applications of Rani nickel. First application, mainly it is used as the reduction of carbon-carbon multiple bond. Multiple bond means carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond or carbon nitrogen triple bond. Therefore, I am taking the example first ethene CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2. Here Rani nickel is the reducing agent. Reduction means addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Therefore, hydrogen molecule adds to the ethene molecule in presence of Rani nickel, formation of a ethane. One hydrogen atom attached to one carbon atom, another hydrogen atom attached to next carbon atom, conversion to the ethane. Means ethene in presence of Rani nickel undergoes reduction, conversion to the ethane. Then I am showing second reaction. Here benzene in presence of Rani nickel. Here I am writing Rani nickel H2. Then benzene undergoes reduction, converted to the cyclohexane. Here benzene containing 3 double bonds and these 3 double bonds undergoes reduction, conversion to the cyclohexane in presence of a Rani nickel. Then I am taking here example number 3, that is the tetraline. Here I am showing reaction naphthalene in presence of Rani nickel at 150 degrees centigrade and 30 atmosphere pressure. Then formation of a tetraline means 2 double bonds undergoes reduction, means here two hydrogen molecule adds to 2 double bonds and formation of a tetraline. I am showing here another example. Naphthalene undergoes reduction in presence of Rani nickel at 200 degrees centigrade and 200 to 300 atmospheric pressure. Then formation of a decalin means all double bonds undergoes reduction. Here how many double bonds are present in naphthalene? 5 double bonds. Therefore for 5 double bonds 10 hydrogen atoms required. Therefore 5 molecules of hydrogens are required. Conversion of naphthalene to decalin means 5 double bonds undergoes reduction, conversion to the decalin when temperature is the 200 degree centigrade and atmospheric pressure is the 200 to 300 atmospheric pressure. Naphthalene is converted to the decalin, and if 150 degree temperature and 30 atmospheric pressure, then naphthalene is converted to the tetraline. This is the first application of Rani nickel, that is reduction of carbon-carbon multiple bonds in case of benzene, naphthalene and ethene. Then further I am discussing with you here application number 2, reduction of phenol. Phenol benzene ring attached to the OH group is called as the phenol. Then phenol again containing here benzene ring, 3 hydrogen atoms, 3 double bonds, therefore 6 hydrogen atoms required and 3 hydrogen molecules. Therefore phenol undergoes reduction in presence of Rani nickel at 120 to 150 degrees centigrade temperature. Here phenol is converted to the cyclohexanol. Then I am taking next example. Phenol in presence of Rani nickel, when 2 hydrogen molecules are required, then formation of first cyclohexenol, one double bond is present, therefore name of this compound cyclohexenol, OH attached to the cyclohexene ring, therefore name of this compound is the cyclohexenol. The cyclohexenol further reduction converted to the cyclohexanone, means phenol undergoes reduction, first is converted to the cyclohexenol and cyclohexenol further reduction to conversion to the cyclohexanone. Again removal of hydrogen converted to the C double bond, O is the cyclohexanone. Then third application of Rani nickel is the reduction of aromatic ethers. I am taking here general example AROR, aromatic ether, in presence of Rani nickel, formation of ARH, that aromatic compound, plus alkane RH. Again addition of hydrogen is called as the reduction. Therefore one hydrogen atom attached to aromatic ring converted to the aromatic compound and another hydrogen atom attached to the alkyl group converted to the alkane. Then application number 4, here reduction of nitriles. Nitriles C triple bond N. This group is called as the nitrile or cyanide. Therefore I am attaching here nitrile group to the benzene ring C6H5Cn. Therefore name of this compound is the benzonitrile. Then this benzonitrile undergoes reduction in presence of Rani nickel. Here I am writing PyRACOH, means here benzonitrile undergoes reduction to convert it to the benzaldehyde. Then this is the reduction of nitriles in aqueous acetic acid pyridine medium. Here benzonitrile in presence of aqueous acetic acid pyridine medium. I am writing here PyR pyridine, ACOH is the acetic acid. Therefore in presence of aqueous acetic acid pyridine medium, Rani nickel reduces nitrile to the aldehyde, means benzonitrile is converted to the benzaldehyde. This is the first example of reduction of nitriles. Then I am taking here another example. Here under pressure Rani nickel reduces nitriles to also amines. I am writing here general example RCN, cyanide or nitrile, in presence of Rani nickel converted to the imine form RCHNH, means one hydrogen molecule adds to the cyanide. Here one hydrogen atom attached to carbon atom and another hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen atom. Therefore conversion of RCHNH, this group is the imine. Then imine further reduction converted to the amine. Again one hydrogen molecule add, that is one hydrogen atom attached to carbon converted CH group to converted to the CH2 and another hydrogen atom attached to NH group converted to the NH2. Therefore imine is undergoes reduction converted to the amine, that is RCH2NH2. Here Rani nickel can also be used to reduces nitro group to the amine group. NO2 is converted to the NH2. Therefore cyanide is converted to the amine and benzonitrile converted to the benzaldehyde. This is the reduction of nitriles. Then I am taking here application number 5, reduction of halides. I am taking here general reaction halides, that is aryl halides, benzene ring containing halogen benzene ring attached to X. X is the chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. Therefore, aromatic halide in presence of Rani nickel, formation of a aromatic hydrocarbon. The advantage of this Rani nickel for reduction, it is removes of halogen including fluorine. Therefore, aromatic halide undergoes reduction, formation of a aromatic hydrocarbon. X is replaced by hydrogen atom. Therefore, removal of halogens, conversion to the aromatic hydrocarbon Rani nickel is used. Then application number 6, desulfonation. Sulfonation group SO3H is called as the sulfonation group. Therefore, I am taking benzene sulfonic acid, that is benzene ring attached to the SO3H group. Name of this compound aryl sulfonic acid or benzene sulfonic acid. Here Rani nickel eliminates sulfonic acid group by replacing it with hydrogen. Therefore, SO3H is replaced by hydrogen, again formation of a aromatic hydrocarbon. Then similar to the desulfonation, application number 7 is the desulfurization. Desulfurization means sulfur is removed. D means remove. Therefore, RSR dash, this is the general formula for thioether. Then in Rani nickel eliminates sulfur from thiols, thioethers, disulfides, etc. to cleave them by incorporating hydrogen. Therefore, RSR dash is the thioether general formula. In presence of Rani nickel is converted to the breakage of bond RS, formation of here alkane, one hydrogen atom attached to the alkyl group and another hydrogen atom attached to the again second alkyl group, conversion to the RH alkane. Here second formation of second molecule of a alkane. This is the desulfurization. Sulfur atom is going from thioether, disulfides and thiols. Then I am taking here thioamides, RCSNHR, amide CONH. Here sulfur is present, therefore name of this compound thioamide. Thioamide in presence of Rani nickel converted to the RCH2NH R dash, formation of a secondary amine. Means thioether formation in presence of Rani nickel, formation of alkane, and thioamide in presence of Rani nickel converted to the secondary amine. And last application of Rani nickel is the hardening of oil. Here I am showing the structure of oil. Oil is nothing but triglyceride, unsaturated triglyceride or glycerides of unsaturated compounds is called as the oil. Short form is the TG, is the triglyceride. Therefore, I am showing the structure CH2O CO CN H2N minus 1, CHO CO CN H2N minus 1 attached to the again CH2O CO CN H2N minus 1. In presence of Rani nickel at 150 to 200 degrees centigrade temperature, it converted to the here dalda. Dalda is nothing but the vegetable ghee. Here triglycerides undergoes hydrogenation, formation of a partially hydrogenated oil. Therefore, I am showing the structure here CH2OCO CnH2n plus 1. Here triglycerides COCnH2n minus 1. But here vegetable oil or dalda CH2OCO CnH2n plus 1 attached to the CHOCO CnH2n plus 1, and third is the again CH2OCO CnH2n plus 1. This is the dalda or vegetable ghee. This is the partially hydrogenated oil. Rani nickel is used to prepare vegetable ghee form oil by reducing unsaturated triglyceride. Here TG is the triglyceride. Oil or fats are nothing but the triglycerides. Therefore, glycerides of unsaturated fatty acid in presence of Rani nickel converted to the dalda, that is partially hydrogenated oil. Thank you for listening.